days, we're going to post a video and we're going to show you a different product from our range. So these are really popular products on our website, and we're going to give you some information, why we love it and why our customers love it. So today we are featuring the Bushman 200 watt folding solar panel kit. So this one here does fold up and you're able to take it camping to charge batteries, charge your camping fridge. They're great. So these are monocrystalline cells and you do get 5 panels. So these ones here, they just fold up like this. And you have a little bulk crew tag as well. Best thing about this is you've got everything that you need in this pack. So in here you've got all your Alligator clips and also your regulator. So you've got everything you need, you don't need to buy anything else. This one's just 5.5 kilos, so it's super great to chuck in the back of your car, and it is the Bushman brand. So this is an Australian brand, very popular and very high value, so you do pay for what you get with this one. Now we do see a lot of people take this away with them camping, but you can also use it around the house if you have any power outages or anything like that. So thanks for seeing our first video, guys. We'll see you tomorrow with our next one.